Hello, all you car travel and tech enthusiasts. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the AHK Car Headrest, an innovative solution that will take your travel experience to the next level. This tablet and phone holder is perfect for keeping passengers entertained on long journeys. In this comprehensive review, we will explore its features, how it works, and why it's an essential accessory for any car trip. If you're looking for a way to make your travels more enjoyable and comfortable, keep watching. Key features. Universal compatibility. This holder is compatible with a wide variety of tablets and smartphones, making it versatile and practical. 360-degree rotation. You can adjust the orientation of the tablet or phone for optimal viewing. Easy installation. Securely attaches to the front seat headrest, ensuring quick and stable installation. Road entertainment. Perfect for watching movies, series, browsing the internet, or gaming during long journeys. Durability and safety. Made with sturdy materials to protect your devices and keep them secure on the road. Personal insights. After trying the AHK Car Headrest, I was impressed by its versatility and ease of use. The 360-degree rotation capability allows every passenger to find the best viewing position. The installation was quick and secure, and I could enjoy worry-free road entertainment. It's an essential accessory for family trips or long solo journeys. Find the link in the description of this video.